This one is a 10 kVA portable pneumatic operated spot welding machine. This is the FRL, this is the gauge. What 2 mm thick sheets. You can adjust the pressure, so it's about 40 kg, 40 psi. And here you have the pneumatic cylinder. These are zirconium copper electrodes. Here you have the controller. For 2 mm plus 2 mm sheets, put on this weld switch on. This heat percentage about 60-70%. This is a weld no weld switch. This is the squeeze time that we have kept about 20 cycles. This is a weld time that's also we kept about 20 cycles. Then we can show you the welding, how to weld. This is the weld no weld switch. Put on the weld side. Then you can clamp the job between the two pieces and then press the push button. You will see welding taking place. This is how it's welded. Welding 1.5 plus 1.5 sheets, you can reduce the heat percentage from 70 to 60%, and then again clamp the job between the two electrodes like this and press the push button. See, this is how it's welded. The current gets cut off automatically after the weld is over because we have set the timing over here.